Alrighty, I told you there was more coming. Pah! Holy cow. Look at these ginormous tombstones. Our amazing Vanna White is demonstrating how large these tombstones are. They are massive.
I'm 5'2" or 3", by the way.
Yep.
This thing's taller than me.
They are huge, and a couple of these bigger ones, this one and this tall one right there, are actually in multiple pieces. The top comes off that one. Whee! I know. And not only, okay, this is the base, and then the big part goes on top of that, but it actually has wheels on it. So, what we were just told is these are actually from an opera house, and these were used on the stage. Sadly, the opera house has closed down, but they're amazing. Yes.
I carry them.
Lovely handles for quick movement on and off the stage as quickly as you can. Yes. Go, crew, go! Scene change, go! So, yes, they are amazing. They're thick. They stand up by themselves. And we're not 100% sure what this one is, but you know what? You can sit on it. You can lay on it. You can, oh, whoa, it's me on it. Exactly.
Honestly, I kind of want to take a It looks like it's covered in barnacles too, by the way.
Yes, I know. They put all sorts of gunky junk on it, and it's fantastic. I don't know, but it's pretty firm. And I loved it from close up. You know, they look good. But from further away, I think they look pretty good, even more so. So awesome. I was not expecting this. When I heard, I have a van full of tombstones for you, this is not what I was expecting. And my mind is completely blown. It's going to look so good in the graveyard. And then, woo-hoo, we got a partner for our mannequin. She finally gets a buddy after all these years. Aww. So happy. So blown away. So excited! Woohoo! Can't wait for 2025.